just checked the mail today. Got a little something there from Busted Radial Garage, huh? Let's see what that is. We'll see what kind of goodies it might be. You check his channel out. He's a Mopar guy, but he's an alright guy anyhow. Do this without cutting myself. Ooh, we got a pretty cool little poster in there, I believe. Ooh, poster Linda. That's pretty cool. And signed. Check that out. That is sharp. You're gonna have to find a place in the office for that one. Yes, sir, indeed. Thank you very much, Chris and Kathy. We got us a nice Linda sticker here. See if we can find a place on the window for that. I think right there at the bottom. A little apply that. See if I can get her off the back. Yeah, not there, not there, not there. Can't be having it crooked now. There you are. Thank you very much, Chris, Kathy. Appreciate it. Check their channel out, Busted Radial Garage. They got Linda, they got Homer, and then I can't remember the rest, but they got a staple full. Thank you.